Specto Go is a portable version of the tracking and practice system ideal for coaches, bowling teams and groups, or anyone who does not have the ability for a permanent setup. The unit comes with a hard case for easy storage and transportation, as well as a laptop to run the system. Setting up Specto Go on the lanes is easy and can be done in 30 minutes. One sensor collects all data from up to 5 lanes. Specto Universe can be accessed via the mobile app on your iOS and Android devices. The system can also be used on your computer via the Coaches app. Specto Universe consists of 3 different modules: Performance, Challenges, and Worlds. The Performance module is perfect for bowlers and coaches to find detailed statistics, measure performance, and see your numbers in the same way they are shown on the televised broadcasts. The Challenges module is a place for bowlers to prove their skills and compete against other players from around the world. The Worlds module is a game-like experience which helps the bowler develop their skills as they are guided through different levels.